big heavy camera. This is the Mamiya RB67. It's a fully manual medium format film camera. It's called the RB67 because the RB represents a rotating back. So if I want to shoot horizontally, I've cut it like that. If I want to shoot vertically, I just rotate the back. And 6.7 stands for 6 by 7 centimeter. That's the size of the film itself. So it's a really large piece of film and captures amazing detail. This really allows you to slow down, compose on your ground glass, wait for that right moment, and